Hello, good morning to all. I am Nikhat Fatima from GG College. Today I am going to teach you about adjectives. Can you define what is an adjective? Adjective is nothing but which qualifies a noun. Adjective is a word used with a noun to add something to its meaning. Is nothing but an adjective. Here is an adjective. Adjectives are words that are used to describe nouns and pronouns and to quantity and identity. In a nutshell, adjectives are what define nouns and give them characteristics to differentiate them from other nouns. It's nothing but an adjective. Okay, what kind of, how much of, which one. Now we know types of adjectives. Now we will learn types of adjectives. We will see how many kinds are there. Adjectives of quality. What is an adjectives of quality? Adjectives of quality is nothing but these adjectives are used to describe the nature of a noun. They give an idea about the characteristics of the noun by answering the question, what kind? These are nothing but adjectives of quality. Examples: honest, kind, large, beautiful, etc. Foolish, delicious, okay, etc. Now here are examples. New Delhi is a large city with many historical monuments. New Delhi is a large city with many historical monuments. Okay, it tells the quality. It tells the quality of a noun. Mumbai is a large city. He is a good boy. She is a beautiful woman. She is a studious girl. Okay, all these are examples of adjectives of quality. Now we will go for adjectives of quantity. These adjectives help to show the amount or the approximate amount of the noun or pronoun. Okay, this show the approximate amount of the noun or pronoun. These adjectives do not provide exact numbers. Rather, they tell us the amount of the noun in relative or whole terms. Now we will see examples. You see, these are adjectives of quantity: all, half, many, few, little, okay, no, enough, great, etc. So these tells us do not give the exact amount of anything, but it shows the approximate value. Okay, like some, much, little, any. For example, he ate some rice. They have finished most of the rice. Many people came to visit the fair. I showed much patience. You have had enough exercise. They did not eat any sweets. Now we will see adjectives of number. These adjectives are used to show the number of nouns and their place in an order. There are three different sections within adjectives of number. They are numerical adjectives are of three types. What are they? We will see. Definite numerical adjective. Okay. What is definite numerical adjective? Those which clearly denote an exact number of nouns or the order of the nouns, which denotes the exact number of nouns or the order of the noun. Example, 1, 2, 20. Okay, known as cardinals. And first, second, third, known as ordinals. Okay. They have 5 children. Few students have attended the class. Okay, there are no chairs in this room. Indefinite numerical adjectives are those adjectives that do not give an exact numerical amount but just give a general idea of the amount, like some, many. As I told you an example, she has taught them many things. Few students have attended the class. Okay, there were many people present at the meeting. These are numerical adjectives. Distributive numerical adjective. Those adjectives that are used to refer to individual nouns within the whole amount. Okay, distributive numerical adjectives are nothing but those adjectives that are used to refer to an individual nouns within the whole amount. For example, either, neither, each, another, other, etc. Every. Okay, taxes have to be paid by every employed citizen. Every is nothing but distributive numerical adjective. So these are three types of adjectives of number. Now we will see what is a demonstrative adjectives. These adjectives are used to point out or indicate a particular noun or pronoun using the adjectives this, that, these, and those are demonstrative adjectives. For example, that bag belongs to Neil. Try using this paintbrush in art class. I really like those shoes. These flowers are lovely. Okay, so these are nothing but demonstrative adjectives. Now we will see what's an interrogative adjectives. These adjectives are used to ask questions about nouns or in relation to nouns. They are where, what, which, and whose. Where, what, which, and whose are interrogative adjectives. And these adjectives are used to ask questions. For example, where did he say he was going? What assignment did I miss out on? Which is your favorite author? Whose pen is this? So these adjectives are used to ask questions. Now we will go for another type, that is Comparison of adjectives. Comparison of adjectives. When we want to compare two or more nouns using adjectives, we use the comparative and superlative forms of the adjective to show the comparison between the nouns. Okay, we use adjectives to compare two or more nouns, and we use comparative and superlative forms of the adjective to show the comparison between the nouns. We will go for examples. Honey is sweet, sugar is sweeter, but victory is the sweetest. In this sentence, we are comparing the three nouns using the positive, comparative, and superlative forms of the word sweet. Sweet, sweeter, and sweetest. Sweet is a positive form, sweeter is comparative, and sweetest is a superlative form. Now, what is a positive form? These are the simple adjectives that simply describe the noun without comparing it to another. Okay, positive forms simply describe the noun without comparing to another. Example: big, sweet, clean, etc. These are positive forms. She has a big black dog. He is a sweet boy. The cupboard is clean. Here, simply we are describing the noun without comparing. So it is nothing but a positive form of adjective. Now we will see the another form, that is a comparative form. These are used when we are comparing two nouns and need to show which noun possesses the adjective or character in a greater or lesser amount when compared with the other. Okay, these are used. Comparative form is used for comparing two nouns. For example, bigger, sweeter, cleaner, etc. Example: I have a big dog, but hers is bigger. Okay, here in this example we are comparing two dogs of two persons. Okay, one dog is bigger than another dog. Okay. Her dog is bigger than my dog. He is sweeter than the other boys. This boy is sweeter than other boys. Here we are comparing one boy with other boys. Sweetness of one boy with other boys. The cupboard is cleaner than before. Okay, so these are the examples of comparative adjective. Now we will see what is a superlative form. This form is used when three or more nouns are being compared and we need to show that one or more of the nouns possesses the adjective or characteristic to the highest amount possible. We usually add the before the superlative form. And the superlative form of big is biggest, sweet is sweetest, clean is cleanest, etc. Okay. Here this form is used when three or more adjectives are being compared. Now we will see examples of it. She has the biggest dog in the colony. Here we are comparing her dog with the dogs of colony. Okay, so her dog is biggest in the colony. He is the sweetest boy in the class. In this example, we are comparing this one boy with boys of whole class, with the boys of whole class. Sweetness of one boy with the sweetness of boys of whole class. The cupboard is the cleanest thing in the house. Okay, so these are the examples of superlative degree. Making comparatives and superlatives. There are certain rules that must be followed in the making of the comparatives and superlatives of the adjectives. Not all adjectives form their comparatives and superlatives in the same way, and there are also some irregular adjectives that form completely different comparative and superlative forms. Now we will see what are they. Single syllable words and double syllable words ending with y, er, ow, or le. We use er to make the comparative and est to make the superlative. Okay, if the one syllable and double syllable words are ending with y, er, ow, and le, then we use er, we add er to make the comparative form and est to make the superlative form. For example, black, blacker, blackest. Okay, black is a single syllable word, and we are adding er to the same word to make a comparative form, and we are adding est to the same word to make a superlative form. And another example is fair, fairer, fairest. Okay, in the same way, clever, cleverer, cleverest. When there is a silent e at the end of the positive form, we remove that and add er and est. For example, nice, nicer, nicest, late, later, latest. Nice. And in this we remove e and we add simple er and est. When the adjective ends with y, we convert the y into I before adding er and est. Example, pretty, prettier, prettiest. Okay, by removing I, we are in the place of y, we are using I and er to make the comparative form, and I and est to make the superlative form, like lazy, lazier, laziest. If the adjective is a small one with little stress on the vowel, we double the last consonant. Example, hot, hotter, hottest, wet, wetter, wettest. The other words with two or more syllables. For other double syllable words that do not end with y, er, ow, le, and for adjectives with more than two syllables, we use more and most to form the comparatives and superlatives. For double syllabic words, difficult, more difficult, most difficult. careful, more careful, most careful, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Okay. Special adjectives. There are few adjectives that can use both er and est and more and most to form their comparative and superlative forms. The distinction between these is that er and est are used when we are comparing the noun to another noun, and more and most is used when we are comparing characteristics within the noun. Okay, example, clever, cleverer or more clever. He is cleverer than her. He is more clever than studious. Quiet, quieter, more quiet. This is the most quiet place, or this is the quietest place. Okay, these are examples. Now we will see irregular comparisons. These adjectives do not make their comparative and superlative forms using the rules. They comparative and superlative forms are different words altogether. For example, bad, worse, worst, good, better, best, far, further, furthest. For place, far, farther, farthest, old, elder, eldest. Little, less, least, late, later, last. Okay, so these are all about adjectives and types of adjectives. Thank you.